Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you're trying to find where the start-stop switch fuse is located, guys. Also known as ignition switch fuse, for the one that if you have the start and stop button, guys, the push start button. So stay with us, we'll explain where it's located in case you need to replace that one, guys. Also on the if you have the one with the manual key, this one could be known also as this ignition switch fuse as well. So we'll show you where that fuse is located today. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the foot, where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So what we did, guys, we actually took a picture of the fuse box that's inside the vehicle, the one that we showed you, because you can see how little of an opening it is. What we did, took a picture and zoomed it a little bit also, otherwise I will not be able to get the camera, my hand, light at the same time to show you guys which fuse you need to check. But it's actually pretty simple. What you need to do, okay, you need to come to the third row and then go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 7.5 amp fuse right here, guys, that's the fuse known as PDM number 2. PDM 2. That fuse is for the start-stop switch, guys, and it's a multi-purpose fuse, so it's for other things as well. But I want to show you something, guys, okay? When you pull the fuses, never assume that they're good or bad. Always test them. If you don't know how to do that, we have a special video that will teach you how to do that in a few seconds, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.